We know there's a lot of fear out there in the media. You might be wondering, is now a good time to buy or sell a house? We've got the numbers. Here's what you need to know. Hey everybody, Justin Matney with the Newman Group here for our September 2022 market update. Listings are down year over year, 15%. Prices are up 4% year over year. I'm here to say that we can help you create a good deal in any market, and we want to help you hit your goals.
So as real estate professionals, we pride ourselves on knowing our numbers. We track 5 key economic indicators. First, showings. The number of showings compared to last year. Has that increased or decreased? Which has decreased since last year. Numbers of new houses coming onto the market, the new inventory. Price improvements or price reductions, which has increased. We also take a look at expired listings. These are properties that were not able to sell on the open market and have become expired. Their agreement is no longer valid. These are properties that quite literally came off the market. And then mortgage applications. This is demand for mortgages. These are people who are thinking about buying a house and going to a lender and seeing what they can get pre-approved for. That has decreased dramatically since this time last year, obviously, as interest rates have continued to climb.
With all that being said, sellers that have been on the fence about selling, this very well could be one of the best opportunities for you to maximize your upside. This time next year, we could be having a conversation about trying to minimize your downside. Buyers, now's your time to shine. With interest rates on the rise, waiting for the perfect opportunity may end up costing you more than you think. The days of no inspections, bidding wars, and paying tens of thousands of dollars over list price are coming to an end. Buyers and agents who know their numbers are winning in this current market every single day. With less competition for buyers as more properties become available, now is the time. If you're curious about what home ownership looks like, or if you were turned off by the high pressure environments from the last couple of years, now is the perfect time to come talk with us.
If you have any questions, or if you want to connect with one of the members of our team, please visit www.thinknewman.com. We look forward to working with you soon.